Hello friends, I am Bachu sir. Today we are going to discuss or we are going to have a small session on need, role, importance or advantages of POD SCC, that is planning, organizing, directing, staffing, coordinating, controlling. This need, importance, benefits, advantages are related with the chapter functions of management. There are 6 different need and importance on each and every function. तो वो स्टूडेंट्स को याद रखना बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट हो जाएगा क्योंकि हर एक का 8 से 9 नीड एंड इम्पॉर्टेंस है. तो अगर 8 है तो 8 6 48 नीड एंड इम्पॉर्टेंस याद रखना पड़ेगा. तो आपके सहूलियत के लिए हमने 15 नीड, इम्पॉर्टेंस, बेनिफिट्स एंड एडवांटेजेस ऑफ पॉड SCC बनाया है. या लेट स्टार्ट. सबसे पहला नीड, इम्पॉर्टेंस, रोल, एडवांटेजेस ऑफ पॉड SCC है. पहला पॉइंट, इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन. There is effective communication regarding policy decision as well as a decision between supervisor and subordinates. यानी पॉड SCC के कारण इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन होगा बिटवीन सुपीरियर एंड सबॉर्डिनेट्स रिगार्डिंग पॉलिसी डिसीजन. दूसरा एडवांटेज होगा ऑप्टिमम यूज़ ऑफ रिसोर्सेस. अरे ड्यू टू एफिशिएंट मैनेजमेंट देयर कैन बी कंट्रोल ओवर वेरियस एक्टिविटीज़ एंड हेंस ऑप्टिमम यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ रिसोर्सेस विल बी डन सच एज मैन, मटीरियल, मशीनरी, मनी एक्सेट्रा. Third, develops team spirit. Due to efficient management, there can be team spirit. How team spirit can be developed among various sections and departments? Through coordinated efforts of both individuals and departments, and hence there is better results for the enterprise. Fourth, reduce absenteeism and turnover. Due to efficient management, there will be reduction in absenteeism and turnover of employees due to motivation, good relations, etc. The workers will assume their responsibility not only towards their work but also towards organization. Employees will work with more dedication and commitment and thereby become loyal to the organization. Fifth, minimize wastages. There can be minimum wastages as there is proper use of resources through effective planning, organizing, controlling the use of resources. Sixth, initiative and innovation. Management can facilitate both initiative and innovation to employees by providing them the freedom. उनको freedom दिया जाएगा to take initiative. They can come forward through various ideas, opinion and develop new techniques. Next, motivate subordinates. The management can motivate the subordinates by providing 2 types of motivation: monetary and non-monetary. Monetary in the form of high wages, bonus, allowances, etc. Non-monetary motivation is in the form of good working condition, welfare facilities, canteen facilities, safety measures, etc. Next, higher efficiency. There can be higher efficiency in the organization through optimum use of resources. As a result, maximum output can be produced at minimum cost. उसके बाद है effective control and manage. Effective controlling the activities of the organization can be done as actuals are compared with planned targets. अगर उसमें कुछ deviations नज़र आता है मैनेजमेंट को तो corrective measures can be undertaken. Quick achievement of goals. Due to effective and efficient management, all the activities, all the actions, all the resources are directed towards common ends. Hence, there is no overlapping, no confusion among individuals and departments will be there. Technological improvement. This will help in developing new ideas, new techniques, and providing better goods and services, and that too at a very low price. Next, division of work. The various activities of the organization are divided among different people. The work is divided department wise and then individual wise. Each individual is given that type of work which he can complete it efficiently and effectively. उसके बाद है कॉरपोरेट इमेज. प्रॉपर मैनेजमेंट से कॉरपोरेट इमेज इम्प्रूव होता है. ड्यू टू एफिशिएंट मैनेजमेंट देयर कैन बी बेटर परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ द एम्प्लॉयज़. This better performance of employees can help in developing goodwill in the market. Promotion and development. Management provides training to subordinates. As a result, subordinates learn, grow and develop new skill, new techniques, new qualities which helps them in improving their positions. And last but not the least, expansion and diversification. There can be expansion and diversification if subordinates work with total dedication and commitment, which helps in increasing production and thereby diversify the business activities. तो ये थे 15 कॉमन नीड, इम्पॉर्टेंस, बेनिफिट्स, एडवांटेजेस ऑफ पॉड SCC. जो 6 फंक्शंस ऑफ मैनेजमेंट है उसके 15 कॉमन नीड, इम्पॉर्टेंस, बेनिफिट. ये 5 मार्क का क्वेश्चन आपको आ सकता है SYJC बोर्ड के पेपर में. यस, थैंक यू.